Sa ipinablikon balay, ya Santa Barbara. I have been singing for more than a decade now, and Santa Barbara has witnessed the growth of my career. I personally joined Apollo Smith production, the star of Pangasinan 2022 Season 2, because I view this as a way for me to once more bring pride to my hometown and to do what makes me complete. I will full-heartedly accept the battle and show what I can do best.
Ako po si Mayor Carlito sa plan ng bayan ng Santa Barbara. Ako po yung nananalangin na sana maging maayos at mabuti ang kanyang laban si Alyssa Erasquin. And I wish you all the best and good luck.
Good luck and God bless sa laban mo, Alyssa! Go for the win! Woo!
Ako si Alyssa Erasquin, and I am more than willing to sing my heart out and make my home and my people proud.